Select your station. Double-click Hardware. Select the PLC menu. Choose Ethernet and edit Ethernet node. Click the Browse button. From the list, select the device you wish to reset. Let's choose the ET200S and click OK. Now click the Reset button and click Yes to the warning message. Then click OK to the reset message. Let's reset another device. Click Browse again. The Scalent switch has a name but not an IP address. Let's select the switch and click OK. Click Reset. Click Yes to the warning and click OK to the reset message. Let's check the devices. Click Browse again. Here you can see that both the ET200S and Scalent switch have been reset. The IP address is 0 and the device names have been deleted. And that concludes this video.